Oo. Pupunta ka kay Kinsley?
She wants to go that way.
Sige. Look at that. Hi guys! Welcome back! Nandito ngayon si Ellie. Nag-aaral siya, oh. Ginamit na namin yung walker kasi nakakaano na siya. Eliana!
Ellie, will you do come here?
Ayan yung binigay ng grandma niya. Ng mother-in-law ko, binili niya. Eliana!
Eliana!
Go see daddy! You go see daddy! Come on, Ellie!
Hey, come on, Elle! Come on!
Daddy!
Come see me!
What you got, Kinsley? What you got? Patong isa, oo. Come here. Go see daddy. Go lay down, Kinsley. Gusto niya rin talagang maglaro sa'yo.
Ellie!
Go see daddy, dali. Go see daddy right there. Come on. Kanina, naglalakad-lakad siya eh. Hanggang nakaabot siya dyan.
I don't know if I can move yet.
Galing siya dyan, tapos napunta siya dito.
Come on. Walk this way. Eliana.
Hi, baby.
Eliana.
Hi. Oh, ito pang isa. Sige. Sige, kulit ka. Ito niya talaga nilalaro siya, eh. Just let her, babe, let her.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn her. Come on!
She'll figure it out.
Ellie! Good girl!
Ay, sus! Ang galing ah!
Eliana! Eliana!
Ang galing naman ng baby namin. Eliana!
Eliana!
Tinitignan niya si Kinsley. Tignan mo si Kinsley.
Ay, yeah, come on.
Punta ikaw kay Kinsley.
Come on! What are you doing?
Grabe naman ang legs na yan, oh. Tignan mo naman ang legs na yan.
If once she can touch a little easier, she's
Yeah.
gonna be flying.
Sarap panggigilan ng legs, oh. Pupunta ka kay Kinsley?
She wants to go that way.
Not with Kinsley. You wanna play with Kinsley? Yeah?
Yes, she does.
You wanna play with Kinsley? You see her toy? You see Kinsley's toy? Huh? Oh, tignan mo. Oh.
She's gonna make her way over there.
Ang cute. Ang cute naman ng baby ko na yan. Ellie. Oh, tignan mo. Oh, sige. Sunog nito,
She's gonna get
ikot-ikot na
mad
to.
that she's facing away.
Yeah. Not that. Dito naman siya. Oh, yung portable, yung pari ano niya, ginamit niya. Ginagamit niya to ba? No, kasi mag-order pa kami nung isa. What is that? A toy that it can help her to stand?
Well, yeah, it's like a learning walker or
Yes.
something.
Mag-order pa kami nun, guys.
Get your butt up there.
Gusto niya paglaruan yung plastic, oh.
No.
Where is her bib? I put a bib on her because
Oh,
she
it's
keeps drooling.
It's in her, I'm just gonna catch
Grabe
her.
naman yan, ah. Ay, grabe na. Grabe na, ah. Ewan ko, gusto niya na kasi tumayo-tayo, eh. Kapag ka nakahiga ako, tapos,
She's only 5
binabantayan ko
months,
siya sa
and she's
playpen.
doing
Hinawakan
that.
niya yung legs ko para tumayo siya. We're not forcing her to do that. She's doing it by herself.
No, she, like-
Maybe some people, like,
Look, watch. Like, she'll,
some people think that we're forcing her to do that.
Watch. Okay, come here. Yeah, come on. You're a crawler, aren't you? You're gonna come fast.
Galing, ah.
She likes the picture frame too.
Yeah.
Ellie. Wait, yeah. Is that gonna help you stand?
Yeah.
Kinsley. What are you doing?
Tignan mo, tatayo talaga siya. Oh. Oh.
Kinsley,
Gagamitin niya yan, yung ano niya, para makaupo siya or tumayo siya. Kailangan lang talaga namin siyang bantayan in case na maano siya. Galing ah!
She's strong.
Very good ka talaga.
Sit.
Kinsley, sit down.
Now.
Sige. Look at that.
Wow!
Andiyan naman, oops! Andiyan naman yung daddy niya in case na ano
She's
siya.
strong. Okay, you ready? Come here. Give me your hand.
Grabe ka talaga, Ellie. Hi, guys! Tignan nyo naman ang outfit ng Ellie namin. Ang cute naman ang outfit ng baby na yan. Nakadilaw. Feeling namin favorite niya yung dilaw. Kasi every time na binibisa namin siya ng dilaw, tapos pag nakikita niya yung dilaw, medyo ano siya sa dilaw. Ayan na naman siya. Magtatayo na naman. See? She wanna stand up.
Ellie.
Tinutukod niya yung kamay niya sa amin. Like,
Ellie,
for
grab my
example,
hands.
nakaganto ko. Tutukod
Ellie.
niya yung kamay niya dito.
Ellie, my hand.
Grab daddy's hand.
Come here.
Ay.
Come on. Grab my hand.
Oh my gosh!
Ellie,
You know daddy's hands, ah.
Come on. Grab my hands.
Grab daddy's hand.
There you go.
go.
This one. Give me this one. There you go. Yeah.
Eliana. Parang kala mo nakakaintindi na talaga siya, no?
Hey. Hey.
Eliana. Tignan mo. She always look at her, ano. She love the flower, the color. Diba? You like yellow? Is that your favorite color? Tignan mo.
You're so cute.
Yeah. Eliana, is that your favorite color? Ellie. Eliana. Madam. Oopsie! O, upo ikaw. Bangon. Upo. Upo, dali. Upo. Upo yan siya. Pag mag-ano siya, pag matumba siya, balik siya upo. Kulit na nito.
Peekaboo.
Is that daddy?
Hi.
Gusto niya nang tumayo, guys.
Peekaboo.
Paglaro ang daddy niya.
Hi, Eliana. What are you doing? What are you doing? No, she's so attentive.
Ellie. Nahawakan niya yung tuhod ko.
Yeah, she's a smart baby.
Right here, Ellie. Right here. Put your hands here. Right here.
Come on.
Look. Right here. Right here. Right here. Right here, Ellie. Yep. There you go. Tapos tatayo siya. Ang galing ah. Gusto niya yung tumatayo na yun. Huwag ka muna maglakad, nak. Huwag ka muna maglakad, Eliana. Ako, may habulin na si mami and daddy. Lagot. Lagot. Hindi na siya pwede iwanan, guys, kasi makulit na eh. Hi! Oopsie! Oopsie! Nakakagigil ka. Ako nanggigigil ako sa'yo eh.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! So, nandito na kami ngayon sa Dairy Queen. Katatapos lang ng service. Tapos lang kami magsimba. Nandiyan si Ellie sa likod. Tulog na ang palangga. Tulog na ang palangga ni Mami. Order kami ng ice cream, guys. Nag-crave si Travis ng ice cream.
It was
Someone's craving.
It was in the preaching today.
No.
It was, just saying.
No. Nag-crave ka lang ng ice cream. So, nag-order ako guys ng cheesecake. And then, what did you order? Babe? The normal chocolate?
Choco brownie extreme.
Oh. Okay, next na kami guys.
Oh, wow, that was
Bilis Bilis nila dito. Marami siguro silang tao ngayon. Kasi minsan mabagal eh. Ay, madami nga. Ayan o, sa loob.
Oh, they're busy probably.
Yeah, they have online order.
Hi.
Hello.
You want lid?
Yeah.
Yeah, might as well.
No oras na? 19:51. What time is that? 9:40.
Thanks.
Di pa rin ako sanay guys. 7 na pala, 7. Tara, tinutuwad talaga nila ice cream namin, oh. Thank you!
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Tinutuwad talaga nila eh. Oh, nice. Tatak Dairy Queen. Thank you so much! Yummy!